Right, here they ask us to draw a group frequency diagram. So when you see this, a group frequency diagram, if you see diagram, okay, frequency diagram there, it's a bar chart, right? It's a bar chart, no gaps, right? Okay, you've got to remember that, right? If it's group frequency diagram, they want a bar chart, no gaps. So the first bar is between 0 to 5, right? The bars will be of equal width, 0 to 5, and it goes up to 19, from your table, look, it goes up to 19 pupils. 19 on here, right? Now be careful, 19 isn't on here, but it's easy to work out, because if you go 16 here and 20 here, go in the middle of that, comes 18, isn't it, if you think about it? 16 and 20, 18 is in the middle. Okay, now you might think, well, that's no good to me, I need 19. But if you think about it, 18 is in the middle of 16 and 20. What's in the middle of 18 and 20? 19, of course, isn't it? And that's right in the middle, so it's like a half a square there. So if we go across now, we're going to go from 5, turn this around, it's easier for me. Okay, you see, when I draw my horizontal across here, okay, you can see there the scale, right? Turn it around so it's easier to see. Okay, we zoom in on that. Okay, you can see, look, right? There's 16, there's 20. Why isn't this focusing? Right. There's 16, there's 20. There's 16, there's 20. 18's in the middle of that. Okay, and then between 18 and 20, 19's in the middle of that. It's important you get it right. You have to go halfway between the squares or you won't get the marks. Okay? Right, so let's look at the next one, 17. Okay, and again now 17, if you think about it, 16 and 18 is there, so 17 is in between that. Okay, so 17, there's your bar going across. Okay, and we need to go up from 10, don't we? Okay, so there's my bar there. Next one then is between 10 and 15 is 10. So I go up to 10. Now 10 is easy. 10 is between 8 and 12. Okay, so 10 is there. So I'm going to go all the way up from 15. Okay, then I've got between 15 and 20 is 5. So 4 is there. 6 is in between 4 and 8, isn't it? So 5 is in the middle there. See how easy it is when you use a bit of common sense. 6 is between 4 and 8. 5 is between 4 and 6. So I'm going to go again, you're halfway between squares. So it's there. Okay. And then we've got the last one then, 2. So 2 is here in between 0 and 4. Okay, so there's your group frequency diagram. Part B then, it says calculate an estimate for the mean time. Now of course when you work out a mean from a table, okay, you need mean from a table and it's an estimate. You need to take the midpoint value, so that's 2.5. Midpoint value there is 7.5. Midpoint there is 12.5. Midpoint there is 17.5 and the midpoint there is 22.5. Okay, so you need to go in between there. So when you work out the mean then, okay, you've got 19 pupils that were estimate took 2.5 minutes, so you're going to times these, aren't you? Okay, 19 pupils that took 2.5. You've got 17 pupils that took 7.5. You've got 10 pupils that took 12.5. You've got 5 pupils that took 17.5, and then you've got 2 pupils that took 22.5. And of course, with the mean, you add them all up and you divide by how many is there. Do they tell us how many are there? They don't. You've got to work that out. So add these up here. Okay, the calculator, you add them up and it comes to 53, right? So you work out that top line, right? You do that 19 times 2.5, okay, plus 17 times 7.5, plus 10 times 2.5, plus 5 times 17.5, plus 2 times 22.5. That comes to 332.5, all divided by 53. So then you just divide that answer by 53. You get 6.27. Okay? It says then, at the end, write down the modal group. Okay? So the modal group, of course then, the modal group is the one that's the most. Okay? The one that's got the most in. So the most pupils, that one there, 19 pupils are in that group. 0 to 15. Okay? Because that's the one that's got the most pupils in that.